Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. On this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps in the gig economy, in particular DoorDash. Now, in today's video, we're gonna focus on one thing in particular, and that's taking a picture of your DoorDash delivery. One of the things you wanna make sure you're doing when you're out there doing your deliveries is making sure that you get that verification photo. Not only so the customer knows that their food has arrived, but so that you can also protect yourself and your Dasher account so you can continue to earn that money when you're out there on the road. So look, before we get into this, I need you to do me a favor. Hit that like button and that subscribe button for your boy so you can make sure you always verify that DoorDash picture. Let's go ahead and check out this video.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
Legally blind.
I'm the first to do all.
Bruh.
Legally blind.
Thank you so much for joining me today here on the Dashing Trader channel. I hope you found the information in this video helpful, especially if you're a fellow DoorDash driver out there. Now look, you gotta remember, in the world of DoorDashing, getting those verification pictures is not just routine, it's our shield against issues and a way to protect your hard-earned earnings. So before we wrap it up, friendly reminder, always snap that picture of your verification even if it is a hand-to-me order. There's multiple ways you can do it. You can hit the I can't hand this customer the order. You can hit that box, wait for the timer to go out. You can hit the little messaging box to directly message the customer. You can check the little Doordash Support box up in the top right corner. You can send Doordash Support a message instantly directly through the DoorDash chat to verify that picture. Now look, always double check that your picture is clear to avoid any discrepancies. Make sure it's accurate addresses and everything in the photo. It's not just about doing your job, it's about safeguarding your income, guys. Now look, if you found this video valuable or funny or entertaining, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and insights on DoorDash and being a DoorDash driver and things that go on in the DoorDash community. Now, if you have any questions and you want to share your experiences or you want to share something that you saw while out doing DoorDashes, feel free to drop a comment below. Go ahead, shoot me an email and we can get to it. And thanks again for watching, and y'all make sure y'all be safe out there when y'all doing those deliveries.